Now let us see what is the homology between the chromosomes of apes and man. When we talk about the word homology, we mean to say what are the similarities when we talk about the chromosome number or the banding pattern that you can see in this image, right. So, we are here showing you the banding pattern of the chromosomes. You just look at the banding pattern in the case of apes in this first three, right, and just see the banding pattern in case of humans. So, as a whole, let me begin with the basics. If we talk about the chromosome number in human beings, then human beings have 46 chromosomes, right. They have 46 chromosomes. Out of these 46 chromosomes, we have 44 autosomes. We have 44 autosomes and we have 2 sex chromosomes. We have 2 sex chromosomes which are namely XX in case of females and XY in case of males. So, this is the chromosome number that we find in case of human beings. When we talk about apes, there are 48 chromosomes in case of apes, right. There are 48 chromosomes in case of apes. So, when we actually do this comparative study of chromosomes, what do we actually do? We actually see the banding pattern. We actually find out the similarities in the banding pattern, and in case of human beings, we get these chromosomes from WBCs, that is your white blood cells from the peripheral blood, right. You get these chromosomes from WBCs. So, by using specific stains, we can see these bands. You can see these bands on the chromosomes, right. So, these bands form a banding pattern, and this banding pattern is compared to find out the homology in the chromosome of apes and man. And when we talk about the comparison, then there is a lot of similarity when we talk about the banding pattern in case of apes and man. So, you can as a whole say that it is a possibility that apes and man, they have a common ancestor, right. They have a common ancestor. It has been proved because of the similarity in the banding pattern of these chromosomes. So, as you can see also, because of the similarities, this has been concluded that apes and we all have a common ancestor. So, this is about the homology in the chromosomes of apes and man. Whether you are African, whether you are Asian, whether you are European, you all will be having this number of chromosomes, that is 46 chromosomes, out of which 44 are going to be autosomes and 2 are going to be sex chromosomes. But in case of apes, if you see, they have 48 chromosomes. They have how many chromosomes? 48 in number, and we find the similarity in case of the banding pattern, due to which we are saying that there is homology in the chromosomes of apes and man, due to which we can conclude that yes, they can have a common ancestor, they can have a common origin.